The Huawei Y7 2018 edition has a really nice box, which has a nice splash of colour, which contrasts with the rest of the box. But you didn't come for the box, you came to see what the phone can do. And taking out the phone for the first time, it feels very premium. It doesn't seem like a phone that costs less than £200, brand new. And inside the box, you find a manual, a wall plug, and a really nicely built set of earphones, and also a USB cable. Now, before I go, I thought it'd be cool to do everyone's favorite part of getting a new phone, which is when you get to peel back the plastic and see the phone in all its glory. And taking it off, suddenly it just looks twice or even three times as good. It's just unbelievable. Holding in your hand, I don't know whether this video is doing it justice, but it just feels and looks like a phone that costs £600 or more. And I'm really looking forward to putting it through its paces and seeing what it can do. So hold tight for the full review.